Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. We are back again with another amazing video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Had you ever looked at a pile of rusted metal, broken tools, or a discarded part of seen potential? There is a certain charm in transforming what others see as a junk into something beautiful and meaningful. Outdoor metal junk decor is not just a creative way to recycle. It's a form of expression that adds character to any space. From old gears and chains to forgotten garden tools, every piece holds history. And with a bit of vision and skill of welding, you can turn these beautiful fragments into something new and eye-catching. Whether you are decorating a backyard, front porch, or even a small patio corner, repurposing scrap metal offers limitless possibilities or a storytelling through the art. Imagine taking a rusted bicycle or rusted metal and welding it into a decorative gate, or the crafting abstract figure out of random bolts and rods to line a pathway. They aren't just a decoration, they are conversation starter, pieces that capture attention and the imagination. Welding allows you to join different metal parts in a unique ways, turning chaos into a chosen. Without practice and with practice, even a more mismatched element can become a stunning centerpiece or an elegant ancient of the garden space. It is the imperfection and variety in scrap metal that make each project withstand and beautiful. Think about building a sculpture using old plumbing pipes and the sheet metal scraps. By carefully planning your layout and welding each joint, you can shape an industrial style piece and blend it with the nature greenery. A tree made of metal with the sprinkled branches formed from twisted rebar could stand proudly as a symbol of resilience. Rain and sun will give it a natural patina, adding even a more character over time. And because these creations are made from durable materials, they can endure the element of edge and the gracefully. And you could also explore functional decor items that not only look good but serve a purpose. An old ladder might be welded horizontally to act as a rustic plant holder. Brake disc and the circular saw blade could be fused into a stand for flower pots or are used as a basis of bird feeder. Welding makes these transformations possible, securing every element firmly so your pieces not only look stronger but are built to last. You are not limited by shape and the size. Whatever you can imagine, you can bring to life with the right techniques and the patience and the practice. There is also something poetic about turning old forgotten things into a source of joy. The dented watering can, rusted shovel, and the broken rake, each can be used as a foundation of an artistic piece. You could weld several of them together into a wall-mounted display, or cluster them into a freestanding sculpture. These elements, once used daily, now become a permanent fixture in your outdoor space. Frozen in time, yet full of life, the welding process gives you the power of connect these memories, to stitch together the past into something that fits the present. Something of the most charming outdoor metal junk decor ideas come from themes. Nature is a common one, flower shaped from metal spoons, butterflies, and made of car parts. A bird formed from the nut boards. Welding allows you to capture delicate from the strong, lasting medium. You can experiment with the curves, layers, and the movement. Picture a wind spinner crafted from welded fan belts and the washers, gently turning the breeze. These pieces bring motion and whimsy to your space, making it feel alive and dynamic. You could also go for a more abstract and the modern look, pieces that don't resemble anything in a particular but that draw attention through the shape and the balance. Using welding to attach seemingly unrelated items such as spring rods and the metal mesh, you can create something that sparks curiosity. Visitor might not be immediately understand what they are looking at, but that's a part of appeal. It's invite them to look closer, to interpret and feel something personal. That's the beauty of welded scrap art, it has a layer. Lighting can play a vital role too. By incorporating solar lighting or the candle into your welding structure, you bring a warmth and ambience to your design. Think of a lantern holder crafted from rebar on the scrap chain, or a glowing rope made of overlapping metal strips. Welding ensures these components are held securely, allowing you to blend with the utility and art. The light bounces of metal structure can create a dramatic shadow and a welcoming mood, turning your outdoor area into a cozy nighttime retreat. Another great thing about working with junk metal is that it is an ongoing process. You don't have a finish everything at once. Over time, you collect more pieces and develop your skill. As you keep adding to your outdoor space, welding make it easy to expand, reinforce, and recognize for your creation. You can build a themed corner in your yard or casually turning your entry space into a beautiful wonderland and repurposed treasures. It becomes a journey, one where every new discovery fuels the next idea. And it's not just about the art, it's about connection. Each piece of scrap metal comes from something that once served as a purpose. By welding it into a new form, you are honoring that purposes, believing it a second life, and night might remember you are a friend, a certain item who gave it to you. This piece holds story, and when you share your decor with others, those stories are passed along. That what makes this kind of work as rewarding. It's deeply personal, yet universally engaging. So the next time you pass by the junk pile, take a second look. There's a potential hiding in every rusted edge and the broken vine. With a welder eye and creative spirit, you can reshape that discarded metal into something extraordinary. Outdoor metal junk decor isn't about a hobby, it's an art and form, a celebration of renovation and the resourcefulness. It reminds us that the beauty can be found in a most unexpected place, and with that a little fire and imagination can bring even the most forgotten scrap back to life. Here is our today's video. Rest of the video is here. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Stay blessed. Goodbye.